Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you like the contents of my channel. Please like and share my videos. Also subscribe my channel and encourage me to create new designs and keep posting more. Today I'll be showing you a house renovation work. I have done both day and night light rendering of this design. This was the existing building. There were some modifications in the existing plan and this is the modified house plan. For your reference, I'll be attaching you this. Please check the link in the description. Now let me show the exterior view of this house. This is the daylight 3D view of the house. It's a modern contemporary design. Friends, if you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe now. This is the night light view. Hope you like this design. If you have to say anything about this design or if you want to ask anything, please comment. In the next video, I'll be teaching you to draw a house elevation, a simple house elevation in AutoCAD. So please subscribe now so that you don't miss my next video.